Hi, what's up? Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be playing some Subway Surf. Let's play.
I thought you deleted it.
No, my bro is just talking to me right now. Comment down below if you can hear me, because I don't know if you can, because I don't have a mic.
Okay. If you check the top of the Bronze League, I will be there because I got
He might be there. I mean, you never know. Top run.
Okay, so guys.
No, you're not there. You are not there, mate. Unless, of course, that's you, but of course it's not. Well, everybody that is on Facebook, so. Oh, wow.
But I'm on.
Wait, how do you name yourself?
You need to be connected to Facebook.
Oh, baloney. Okay. Let's just do a little bit of rounds.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so laggy.
Oh, and also I'm going to show you guys a way how to free up thousands of space. No, I'm not deleting Google Play.
Well, that's how you record videos, isn't it?
I was just.
You should do screen recorder. My goal is to get as many of those as possible.
Oh,
and I can get 10 keys.
And
That's
guys,
insane.
Subscribe to both of those channels.
But mostly his, because he has like no support at all.
Yeah, I'm gonna be putting in a new intro for my channel. So,
and he also has an outro.
And also an outro. Hope you enjoy it. I'll put a video of that on my channel. But first, I'm gonna just, okay.
Do a little bit of baloney night. I think. Are you playing GD? I don't know if you guys can hear me.
Okay.
Why? You know what? Save me.
Save him from problems. Because problems over 9,000.
Yeah, obviously. It's so obvious.
Yeah, it's so obvious.
I just juked them. I'm not.
Oh, baby, a triple.
Crap. What?
I can record for 1 hour. Oh, yeah.
Roy, don't. Just so you know, I wouldn't suggest doing that because then you would have to delete that. He doesn't know. We don't know how to do live streams.
You need to have an. You have to make it an app. 1, 2, 3.
And plus, we wouldn't have that. We wouldn't have like anybody watching. It would only be us live streaming. Go check out Mr. Beast. He does worst intros on YouTube.
What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to show you my new intro, and we're going to do my intro and outro in Geometry Dash. So first, my intro. Can you hear that? Sorry about this, guys.
I'll be right back. Guys, we are back. Yeah, we are back. We're on a back. We are on a back and on a back.
Okay, so this is it. Here we go.
Apparently these boots have boosters on them that make you. They have magnets on them.
Do you want to see my intro?
No.
Okay, so here it is, you guys.
Oh, wow, whoa, that's a lot of coins. Hopefully you guys watch this video.
Hopefully
2 videos in one day. Wow.
Hopefully you guys like that intro. Crap.
Yake, easy.
Like this video if you think
this
is a good info and I shouldn't change it. Or comment, subscribe if this is if I should change this intro.
Well, subscribe either way.
Yep, either way, sub. So no, just verify this. Okay. Now my outro.
Oh, I almost got it. I'm like watching his screen. Like watching it like right now. Okay, let's go back in. Wait, what time am I at? Oh, guys, I only have 10 more minutes to wreck. Dang it, Mike. I made it quite far, actually.
Okay, guys. So I'm back and I'm gonna play
Dog.
some.
I'll skip this because I'm gonna double up. Guys, we are back. Why am I so weird?
Because why not?
Yeah, so true. Honestly.
Okay, guys, I'm going.
Yeah, that hit me so hard.
Okay.
Like, honestly. Welcome back.
Join me in my squad.
Did I get it? Yeah, I think I got it.
Join me in my squad. Okay.
No. I did not see that. Shut up. Oh.
And also, guys, we will be doing some more Pixel City.
No,
What the heck?
Oh, goodness.
Sorry about that. There is a garbage truck right outside your house. There's something right outside your house.
Guys, please don't say our channels are lame. We have a lot of haters.
That garbage.
Yeah, a lot of garbage haters. Especially, we also think my worst hater, he swears a lot to me. And he says the J word, which is a very bad word.
Oh, and he thinks Minecraft is a bad word.
Well, no, it's just a prank. We love playing Minecraft. Minecraft is a really good fun game. But do not just like we think that you're heroes. This word is the F word. And
if this video,
well, for every like this gets, every single YouTuber's haters will be removed from YouTube.
oh my gosh!
Yeah, it's total.
I just died by radiation. No.
You can die from radiation, and especially in real life. Talking about Pixel 3D. Yeah, look at all these tricks.
Two. Alright. 1, 2. If you
Fat trains. Why are these trains so fat? You get wrecked, trains.
yeah.
I have 27 of those chicken or fans.
Bravely on. Bravely on.
No! Wait, what the heck? Save me. Yeah, I'm on.
He's not worth. Yeah. Strike at the wall. Okay.
Like this, if we can get.
Woo! Skilled. Not. You mean not skilled hunters? I am the window way. Somebody gonna get. I am the window way.
Seriously.
Kill me. Reset my character.
Rough. Ooh. Hey mate, do you want some bleach? Yeah, of course I like bleach.
I just jumped up.
That would have failed and I would have died and then I would have to drink bleach every day? What act?
Should you drink bleach? No.
Yes.
You should not.
Yes, you should.
Not.
What?
You should not. 'Cause when it, oh, and
What the heck?
if he drinks bleach and you subscribe to his channel, please unsubscribe immediately.
Guys, this we're gonna do. Once we get around 50 subscribers, we'll start.
Oh, baby, a triple.
We will be starting prank season. Yep. Yeah. A full season of pretty much all my videos being pranks. Well, I just have to practice my pranking because some of my pranks suck. We're also going to be doing a little bit of scares and way more challenges.
Because we are going to be starting a new channel.
No, I'm not.
Oh, baby, a triple. That is so good.
Oh! Wait, the fatty.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this freaking thing.
Worry, this is supposed to be kid-friendly. We need infamous kid. No, I'm just kidding. Kid-friendly is the opposite of infamous.
Yeah.
Yep. Our channels are supposed to be kid-friendly. And also about hacking and murdering. I'm just kidding. Guys, you cannot hear him because he is like screaming way too much. Sorry about his chaotic screaming. Yeah, his chaotic death screech. Someone's outside our window. Like, who? Oh yes.
No door.
Yike. Yike.
I'm gay.
Stop saying that. This is not.
Night is good.
Dang it.
David.
Okay. Guys, we're going to have to wrap up this video here. Hope you enjoyed.
Okay, guys,
Leave a like and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.